Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Clear Concept. Today in this video we'll be discussing the basic of Excel. This is mostly focused towards the beginners. We will gradually move to advanced level of Excel in our upcoming videos. So let's start today with this topic part 1. We'll be discussing here understanding MS Excel and then basic tools, then text formatting and editing. Let's move to the Excel. Here I have written couple of things for you. This is called as row. That means all the cells in a horizontal portion is called as a row. Okay, the highlighted one is called as a row. So this is a row, this is a row, this is a row. Now everything, all the cells in the vertical position are called as a column. So this is one column, this is one column, D is a column, E is a column, and so on. All these boxes, individuals, are known as cells. So if we have to mention here what is the cell number, this cell number is D3. Suppose what is the cell number, this cell number is I5. So this is how a cell is denoted in an Excel. We will know more about this once we go ahead and start applying some formula. Let's see what are the options there in the Excel. So first one is the file. Okay, we can save it, we can open a new one, we can save it, and the second one is the insert. What are the options? We'll go with inserts. We'll see what is there in the page layout, formulas, data, and so on. So what is there in the home page? Suppose I have written a word apple. In this word, what should be the style of this letters? We can select it from here. Just a moment. Suppose I have written it here. Now what should be the style? Suppose I'm not liking this style, I want to go with a different style, then I select styles from here. Okay, this one, then so the moment I keep sliding, I keep scrolling over different patterns, it can directly be seen on the cell. It reflects directly. See, apple. Okay, okay, suppose I like this one, I keep it. Now whatever the size, now once we select the cell, then we can go to the size. See, the moment I keep hovering here, the size keeps increasing and this is decreasing. Okay, or the other way of doing this is increase the size from here and decrease the size from here. It's an alternate way of doing it. If I need the letters in bold, I can click here once to apply bold and then disable it. If I want to make it italic, I can apply this as well. If I want to underline the word, I can use this as well. If you want to double underline this, you can do that. If you want to single underline this, you can do that, or you completely disable this. Now if I have to change the color of the whole box, then you pick up this pen like this one, any color you can choose. Okay, and if you have to make it white, then you can put it as no fill. Suppose there is a dark color and you don't like it really, then you can make it as a no fill. Then you change the color of the letters, that is the font. The font colors can be selected from here. As I keep hovering, scrolling here, you can see all the different colors reflects in the letter. Okay, suppose I select this one, or I can go back to the black one, regular one. Okay, for more colors we do have an option. You go here and then you select different colors, okay, whichever you like, and then you can apply. Suppose I like this one and then I apply here. Sorry, see this. Okay, so the most important thing is whichever color or a paint you want to apply, first of all you have to select the box. I select the box, then only the changes will be applied here. If I click this box and I keep making the changes and I want to see the change here, it's not going to happen. So you first select the box where the letter is there and then you make the changes. And then coming, these are the alignment. Suppose this is a big box here. Okay, if the left side I have to put the word, then this one, if I have to put it in the middle, and then if I have to put it in the left. And similarly, suppose this is in box where I want to keep the letter in the top, then this is the option. If I have to keep the letter in the middle, this is the option, and if in the bottom. So what I can do is right in the middle. If I have to do this, then I will select this one and then I select this one. So this is how the letters are edited. So going in the right, these are a couple of options: wrap text, merge and center. Then we have this different signs. The more we go right, these are all most of an advanced thing which we will be discussing in the coming episodes, not here because this is going to go too long. Then we come in the next option, insert. So insert, we can insert pivot table. We will explain this in the coming episodes. Or if we have to insert some tables, there are some options where we can insert table. Just for an example, I say uh, I want to insert some table from where, from here to here, suppose. Then I select this. Then I select this one. Then I say OK. Okay. So to select table, we can do this. Or if I want to undo this, then you just simply press Ctrl Z. That's it. Or if you want to redo it, then you press Ctrl plus Y. See, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Y. This is the shortcuts. Okay. In this tab, we will see a lot of things which mostly comes into the intermediate or the advanced level. Here are some pictures. We can apply input pictures here, online pictures, then different kind of charts, which comes under kind of intermediate and advanced level, which we will discuss in the coming episodes. What we can discuss from here right now is the text boxes. This is a text box. Okay, if we want a text box here, we can put it like this. Okay, then you type something. Okay, then you make changes here about your font, then about the color, then about the font color, then about the size. Leave it. So the difference between the regular cell and this one is insert text means you get a box where you can easily align your words as per your choice. Okay, and then you stick it somewhere else. So you select this box, wait for this cursor to be here, and then you put it here anywhere you want. So this is what exactly a text box does. Okay, so what else do we have? So all these things we'll discuss in the coming episodes. Then this is page layouts, which nothing to explain right away. These are contains formulas we will discuss. These are all formulas, like if we have to do sum, then average, then minus, plus, division, all the formulas will be here. Then we have this tab data, where I mean a lot of things are there which we will definitely discuss in the coming episodes, obviously. And review, this is of very less used, often only one or two options are used from here mostly, otherwise this tab is very less used when we use an Excel. And then view, this is more of a, if you want to see this page, in 100%, in 200%, if you want to zoom it, then you can zoom this way, or you go back to 100% zoom. So all those things we can use it from here. Okay, then we also use free spans. We are going to explain it in the coming episode. So basically guys, this is what it is Excel looks like. This is the row, this is the column, this is the cell. How we denote a cell we have understood. Then I have also showed you how to make a text, and then edit a text in the cell plus in the insert text box. So all these things are there. And then we do have a couple of options of applying shadows, and then you format in a different way, which we'll definitely discuss in the coming episode. Hope the video was helpful. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share. You can also comment and ask if you have any doubts. I will definitely try to clear. Thank you.